Hello friends, in this video we will starting with our next PHP class, that is numerical functions in PHP. PHP has over 50 built-in functions for working with the numbers, ranging from simple formatting function to functions for arithmetical, logical and trigonometrical manipulation. There are many functions, numerical functions, that is ceil, floor, absolute, power, log, exponent, random number, or binary to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, and hexa to decimal, octal to decimal, number format, and printf. The ceil function is round a number up. Next, the floor function, it round a number down. We will see the example on numerical function. I will declare one variable $a and give the value as 12.5. I will give the ceil function and one message, that is the ceil function round a number up, and save it. Go to the browser, and here you can see the ceil function round a number up. Our actual number is 12.5, but the ceil function round a number up. That's why it is come 13. Now we will check the floor. The same. Here you can see we have to use the floor function. It round down a number down. Now save this. Here I will give the break. Here you can see. I will print first the variable. Here you can see our number is 12.5. If we use the ceil function, it will give the output as 13, round the number up. And if we use the floor function, it round a number down, it gives a 12. Now the next function, that is absolute, finds the absolute value of a number. In this, if I will give the value of variable a is minus 12.5, and if we use the absolute function, then it will convert it into the positive number. Here you can see our actual number is minus 12.5, but when we use the absolute function, it returns it in positive. Now the next function, the power function, raise one number to the power of another. If we want to use a power function, we have to give two values to a function. Here I will use the power function, and here I will give the, or else it is not needed. I will directly give it here. So I will directly pass here first $a as a base, and to the power is 3. Here I will print one message as $A to the power 3 is. Now save it and refresh. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Now the next function, find the logarithm of a number. The exponent finds the exponent of a number. The RAND, this function generates a random number. I will show one funny example with this, that you can play this small game with your friends. Here inside the PHP I will use the form, and method is equals to post, and inside the form I will give the text as enter name, and give the input tag as a type is equals to text, and name is equals to name, and one more input for the submit button. Input type is equals to submit, and name is equals to submit. Now after that, wait, this here I have to start the PHP, and I will check here only if it's set the $post method, that is submit, and inside this I will give the one variable name as array, and using the array function I put some elements here, that is you are good student. Next another element as you are bad student, and you are loser, and you are fantastic person. Next one more funny element is you are worst. That's it, and or I will give one more as you are awesome. Next end with semicolon, and I will declare one variable as $z is equals to our random function, and inside that I will give the range, as our array contains the element as 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. I will give the range as 1 to 6, and here I will use the name that we are getting from user, the $_post. Here I will give the name given to that field. Next, now print echo $name some space in between and dot the our dollar array that the index is dollar $z that generates from the function. Now save it and execute. Here we will get the text as enter name and the input field and one submit button. Here I will give any random name as Janvi and I'll submit it. It will showing the error $z on line 17. Okay, I have to remove this single quotes. Now save it and again refresh, and I will give another name as Gayatri and submit it. Here you can see, Gayatri, you are a bad student. The personality of that person in a funny way. And here I will one more, give name as Prachi and submit it. I see, Prachi, you are awesome. Our array is lies between the 1 to 6 this 1 to 6 elements, and our random function also generates the number between the 1 to 6. Means the you can see here the echo statement, the echo here the dollar name. First time I have given the name as a Janvi and the space. Next it is combined with our array and index. The random function generates a number that it first generated a number that is 0 1 2. The second index element it displays because the random function generates a third element that is array inside the array, and it is showing the output as Janvi space you are the loser.